Hello, my name is Matt Goff, and I'm an online business adjunct here at UCC. I'm happy to say I just finished my master's degree in education technology. Today, I want to share some of what I've learned and talk about the use of discussion forums to effectively engage students in an online classroom. Much of the apprehension faculty experience with e-learning is derived from their own perspectives. In reality, there is no evidence indicating online learning is any better or any worse than face-to-face learning. Online learning is simply different than face-to-face learning. The online environment can lack the individual nuances and personality traits which strengthen the connections between students and teacher. Many teachers express frustration because they are not able to see that aha moment or the stress on a student's face when they are struggling to understand a concept. In online classes, the teacher's role is to guide students through self-discovery and learning. This means the students themselves still experience those expressive moments, but the teacher is not there to see it. In online learning, students have to take more ownership instead of shared ownership of their learning. An advantage to this is that it helps promote independence, and some speculate it attributes to higher self-confidence. Simply speaking, the instructors or designers who feel they are less effective in an online environment may simply be trying to place a square block in a round hole. That is, many teachers must unlearn traditional teaching methods and then relearn approaches that are more conducive to electronic delivery methods. Connections are important in any learning environment. Research supports the idea that community enhances learning. The best way to create a learning community and make those important connections in an online environment is through meaningful introductions and fruitful discussions. Here at UCC, we use the Quality Matters rubric for our online course and hybrid course design. The first general standard in the rubric addresses the course overview and introductions. Review standards 1.7 and 1.8 specifically address self-introduction for both instructor and students. While there are many ways to do this, one popular way is through the use of threaded discussion forums. The Quality Matters rubric mentions that instructors should provide students with not only professional but also personal information to allow students to get an idea of who the instructor is as a person as well as a teacher. The same is suggested for students to help build a sense of community. In addition to placing static information in a course announcement or on one of the first pages presented to students, I like to use the first week's discussion forum to do this as well. A wiki could also be an effective substitute. Instructors, at a minimum, should include pertinent professional and personal information about themselves. Students should be asked to share things like, why are they taking the course, or what do they hope to learn? They should also be encouraged to share personal information at their discretion. I like to take this process a step further. I include videos so students can see my personality and hear my voice. I want to assure them that there is a human on the other side of that electronic learning environment. Because I choose to use a graded forum for introductions, I try to weave in the theme of the course or activities related to the course objectives. I feel that every moment can be a relevant learning experience. One of the ways I do this is by using the first forum as an opportunity to discuss and reflect on an icebreaker activity related to the course subject matter. This encourages meaningful socialization relevant to the course rather than just casual off-topic conversation. There are many theories and activities related to icebreakers for instruction. Today, I would like to discuss not just popular practices, but practices that you have found most effective through your years of experience.